We just reviewed how two circles can intersect. They can have 2 points of intersection, 1 point of intersection, or no points of intersection. And so here we have two circles, and they have 2 points of intersection. We see a point of intersection right here and right here. But that's not really what we're dealing with here. So let's see. We're going to find some measures in intersecting circles. So it says the diameter of circle S is 30 units. All right, so the diameter of circle X is running from this endpoint C, it's this chord here, to this endpoint here, which is unnamed, and that's 30 units. And the diameter of circle R is 20 units. And so the diameter of circle R is going from the center of the circle R. No, not diameter is going from this endpoint here, excuse me. Let's see. We're going from maybe an endpoint right here out to endpoint D, and that's 20 units. And DS, this segment here from the center of the circle to this endpoint on the second smaller circle is 9. So from here to here is 9. And okay, so that's what we know. And we're asked to find RC. So we're asked to find this little segment right here, right here. So let's call that X. So we're trying to find RC. Well, let's see. Now, if the diameter of circle C is S, that means that the radius is 15, and I've got a radius. Let me put this in a different color. We've got a radius going from endpoint C to S, and that's 15. And the radius then of circle R, going from the center of the circle R to endpoint D, let's see, the diameter is 20, so that would mean that this radius here is 10. And then we know that this portion of the radius SC is 9. Okay. All right, well, let's see how much CD is. So we'll start with that. So if the radius SC is 15, and of that, the segment DS is 9, that would mean that CD is 6. So that's going to equal CD. So CD equals 6. Well, now that we got that, let's see. Let's put this here. This little CD right here equals 6. All right, well, let's see then. If the radius RD, from the center of the circle to D, if that is 10, and then CD, a portion of that, segment CD is 6, that means to find RC would be 10 minus 6, or it would be 4. RC equals 4. I kind of like this problem. You had to think about this for a little bit. Break it down into all its parts. They gave you diameters, but what you really needed is radius, and then you find out what other little segments are of each radius, and subtract that out, and then subtract the other out, and wow, that's a pretty cool problem. Geometry is about thinking.